This video about parts of the IPv6 address. An IPv6 address is made of 128 bits divided into 8 16 bits blocks. Each block is then converted into 4-digit hexadecimal numbers separated by colon symbols. An IPv6 address is 128 bits in length. IPv6 consists of 8 16-bit fields. In IPv6, each field bounded by a colon. IPv6 address format is shown here. It has 3 parts: 1 prefix, 2 subnet ID, 3 interface ID. IPv6 address example is shown here. IPv6 provides some rules to shorten the address. The rules are as follows. Rule 1. Discard leading 0 or zeros. Here, in block 5, the leading zeros can be omitted from 0063. And it becomes 63 as shown here. Rule 2. If 2 or more blocks contain consecutive zeros, omit them all and replace with double colon, such as in 6th and 7th block. The resultant format is shown here. If there are still blocks of zeros in the address, they can be shrunk down to a single zero, such as in 2nd block. The resultant format is shown here. Finally, we can see the original format and the shortened format here. Different addressing modes in IPv6. IPv6 has 3 addressing modes. They are 1. Unicast, 2. Multicast, 3. Anycast. In unicast mode of addressing, an IPv6 interface host is uniquely identified in a network segment. The IPv6 packet contains both source and destination IP addresses. When a network switch or a router receives a unicast IP packet destined to a single host, it sends out one of its outgoing interface which connects to that particular host. The IPv6 multicast mode is same as that of IPv4. The packet destined to multiple hosts is sent on a special multicast address. All the hosts interested in that multicast information need to join that multicast group first. All the interfaces that join the group receive the multicast packet and process it, while other hosts not interested can ignore the multicast information. IPv6 has introduced a new type of addressing called Anycast addressing. In this addressing mode, multiple interfaces are assigned same Anycast IP address. When a host wishes to communicate with a host equipped with an Anycast IP address, it sends a unicast message. With the help of complex routing mechanism, that unicast message is delivered to the host closest to the sender in terms of routing cost. When a client computer tries to reach a server, the request is forwarded to the server with the lowest routing cost. Features of IPv6 is explained here. IPv6 uses 128 bits to address a device on the internet. IPv6 header has been simplified by moving all unnecessary information and options. End-to-end connectivity. Every system has unique IP address and can traverse through the internet without using NAT or other translating components. IPv6 supports both stateful and stateless auto-configuration mode of its host devices. This way, absence of a DHCP server does not put a halt on inter-segment communication. Faster forwarding or routing, simplified header information is adequate for a router to take routing decisions quickly. IPv6 does not have any broadcast support anymore. It uses multicast to communicate with multiple hosts. IPv6 have IP6 security, making it more secure than IPv4. IPv6 has Anycast mode of packet routing, where multiple interfaces are assigned same Anycast IP address. Routers will send the packet to the nearest possible destination. Mobility. IPv6 Auto IP configuration feature enables hosts such as mobile phone to roam around in different geographical area and remain connected with the same IP address. This is a brief information about IPv6, its formats and examples, IPv6 addressing modes and IPv6 features. If you find this video useful, please like it and subscribe the channel please.